What comes on your screen in this video, guys, is a stunner. I have to say, I've never seen anything comparable done by Jaeger-LeCoultre before. It is a Reverso fitted with a Milanese golden strap. Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. And before a superstar, a real superstar, comes on your screen, I present you my partner on the video, Mathieu Sauret, Director of Heritage and Product at Jaeger-LeCoultre, or Jaeger-LeCoultre. It's up to you how you want to pronounce it. And Mathieu, what is the watch we're going to see now?
So the watch we're going to see, in new words, when I show it, it's a superstar, never seen at Jaeger-LeCoultre.
True.
For the first time, a Reverso in full gold Milanese bracelets. So an incredible bracelet that has been set to the Reverso to give this incredible full look of gold with an incredible craftsmanship, not only on the watch, because of course, you know, all the watches at Jaeger-LeCoultre have incredible craftsmanship, but also on the bracelet. A bracelet made in the pure Milanese style with threads of pink golds, an incredible length of threads. If we take all the threads of gold that are done for the Milanese, maybe we can ask the audience at WatchAdvisor to guess.
Go ahead, yeah.
Maybe it's, well, how do you think? Maybe 7 meters, maybe 14 meters, or 16 meters? Well, write it in the comments or stay put for the video and you will find out all the details of this incredible Milanese bracelet on the Reverso.
So I recommend you to stop the video right now for just a second and write in the comment section 7, 14 or 16 meters. If you dismantle the entire Milanese strap, how long is it? Write it in the comment section, then press again on play and watch the video. Enjoy. We will disappear, of course, because the watches are the stars on WatchAdvisor. Bye. The Reverso Tribute Monoface Small Seconds. It looks like it is just a regular normal watch. No, it is not. It is the first Reverso done with a Milanese strap. Simply stunning. Full gold 18 karat case, 18 karat Milanese strap. Very flexible, very soft. Looking gorgeous.
So the idea was really to do a watch that plays with the structure and the shades of gold. So you have different shades and different texture on this watch. So of course you have the shiny of the case that you see beautifully here. You have the woven aspect of the bracelet, and here you see the beautiful shine of the back case that is ready to engrave. And on the dial, which is not made of gold because we keep dial made of gold for our grand complications, but on the dial here, which is golden, you have a beautiful grain finish, which is only for this Milanese watch that we call the Art Deco, to have a play word on Art Deco, or meaning gold in French, Art Deco.
So it's a nickname of the watch?
It's a nickname, yes. It's the nickname of the watch. We already have the nickname of this watch.
Deco. When you go to your Jaeger-LeCoultre retailer or boutique, then you ask for the Art Deco, and then you will see if they know what you're talking about.
Yes,
let's
this
test
is a good
them.
one. And so the idea was to do a watch that is extremely thin. This watch is very thin. It's only 8 millimeter, even less than 8 millimeter in thickness.
7.56 millimeters.
7.56, yes. And so we wanted to create a watch that comes with a metallic bracelet, but a bracelet that is like a second skin. And the Milanese, with this incredible flexibility, is the perfect companion for this watch because it's really like a second skin. It's so soft and it's so flexible. The making of this Milanese actually was given to the most, sophisticated craftsmen that make Milanese bracelets. This is woven style bracelets, and no less than 16 meters of threads of gold were necessary to make this beauty come to life. The integration is really perfect with a special case. Here you see the buckle that also has been thought to enjoy a good wearability, because you don't have to, cut the Milanese or size the Milanese. You can actually just lift the buckle, and here you fit the Milanese, which comes and hides just underneath. So you have to lift the edge here, and the Milanese comes and hides beneath. And so you adjust the length of the straps, and then you close it to the desired length, and it catches, and this is now safe, and your bracelet It's safe, so you can actually wear it as a couple watch with your partner, because this watch is so thin and so elegant that it would be a perfect couple watch, and you don't have to adjust the length of the metal, which is very handy.
So in jeans, you say boyfriend jeans, and now this is the boyfriend watch. Too.
Yes, exactly.
What I like here is, due to the construction included micro length adjustment, many of you always say, can I adjust the bracelet? Yes, you can easily. You just lift, and then you can, in very, very tiny little steps, adjust the bracelet if necessary during the day, and then reclose it, and you have always a perfect fit. And this really adapts to your wrist, like Mathieu said it before, like a second skin. You don't feel it anymore. It is really perfectly wrapped around your wrist, and it is looking gorgeous. Let me interrupt this video for a short moment, please. We need you to join our community on our website, www.watchadvisor.com. You can now discover more content. We are going to create forums. We have discussions. You can share stuff. You can come in discussion with me. We're going to present you more insights, more in-depth videos, more in-depth information, and so on and so on and so on and so on. It's all about watches. WatchAdvisor is the name. I am the watch advisor. You know that. This was the reason I'm interrupting this video, and now enjoy the rest of it. I think that this will be a very, very, very trendy watch for women, because I can imagine that once they discover this beauty, they will probably put away some of the other watches they were wearing so long and go for this beautiful Reverso that is done in a very, very stunning way. 16 meters, imagine guys, 16 meters of little gold threads put together to make this beautiful Milanese come to life.
And the case is extremely elegant, less than 8 mm for lug to lug of...
The lug to lug distance is the distance from one lug end to the other lug end. So if you're thinking about, say to yourself, is my wrist big enough? So the distance from here to here is 45 points. And from this end to the other end, it is 27.4 millimeters. The watch is powered by the Jaeger-LeCoultre caliber 822. It's a hand-wound movement, small second indication at 6 o'clock, and we do have a power reserve of 42 hours. The case is waterproof up to 3 bar. That's enough on a daily basis if you wear it, and you can be sure that this watch will even do better than this, because there is something that is very interesting, and very often we don't talk about this. These Jaeger-LeCoultre watches are tested with a 1,000-hour test. This means that the watches go through the entire manufacturing process through extensive testing. I think this is something not many brands do. They are testing to assure that the quality that they manufacture is also guaranteed. It's an internal test. They're not cheating, of course, because we want to deliver the best, utmost best, the best quality you can imagine.
This watch will retail at 43,800 euros.
43,800 euro, including 20% VAT. Deduct 16.666%, and you get a net price, and then you can estimate the price in your country by adding the local taxes you have to add. It's not limited.
It is not limited, but of course, given the complexity of the bracelet, it is limited in production. This watch, as you say, is a stunner, and we cannot put our eyes away from it after seeing it. So we expect great things with this watch, which sort of continue to break the barrier of what Reverso can offer, but staying true to the original tribute codes of the Reverso.
I will be interested, guys. Tell me, would you wear such a watch as a man? Is this a watch you would wear or not? Is it a watch that only women should wear, can wear? Would you share it? This is also a good question. Let me know all these details in the comment section, please. And let us discuss about the first Reverso fitted with a Milanese strap. Thanks a lot for watching the video on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. And if you think that this is your channel, please check out our website, watchadvisor.com, and especially our community section on our website to really get in touch with us, to share lots of things. You will get more detailed information about the watch industry, in-depth videos. More fun will happen there. So if you're interested, have a look at watchadvisor.com.